Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I go by the name Janessa and this is Janessa's Choice. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Please subscribe and make sure you like this video as well. And comment if you like the process, like what I'm doing. You can ask whatever question you want to ask and I'll let you know. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. When was the last time you had a good meal? The restaurant type of meal, the good traditional, well, those type of meals. When was the last time you had such a meal? It's been 3 weeks, right? I know, with the quarantine and everything, life is kind of hard, but hey girl, hey boy, hey whoever is watching, I'm here to give you this recipe of this food. You make this at home and you have a really good meal. You feel like you went out. You can do this on for your boyfriend. Have a nice date at home, something nice, something extra. I actually saw this meal on Feli's Beauty's Instagram story. She did this. I didn't see the name of the meal. I don't know what the name is. I just know it's fried rice baked in a pumpkin. So watch this video with me and see how it turns out. It's my first time trying this. I just saw a few pictures here and there and I'm like, okay, I have to do this. Watch this video with me. Stay with me, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. So I have all of my ingredients here. I got this morning. And the pumpkin, I already put this in the boiler so you could cook. I got the little one because I eat only brown rice, but for some reason white rice makes it look better. I'll be using this curry. I'm actually going to use two. I'll be using this curry from Cameroon and I'll be using this Jamaican curry, and I'll also use this fish seasoning because whenever I use it in food I feel like it really tastes good. I'll also be using these beans, red kidney beans. This is my best brand for beans, so I'm going to be using this as well because I saw that in the video. And I have this pepper here, sweet pepper. I'll be using that as well. I'm going to ground this and this in here. And I have my sweetening, whatever they call it. My country will call it Maggie. Yeah, so I'm going to do all of that. I'm going to slice this up and then come back and show you what it looks like before I go on to the next step. And here I sliced out everything, and this is the beans. This is what Feli Beauty had in her plate. Well, we Africans, we love some pepper. So yes, now I'll be putting this in here. I need to put the rice in here. Put the rice. It cooked so well. This is all I'll be using for today. And then adding the seasoning. So this is the fish seasoning. I'm just putting that in. This tastes really nice, I swear. And this for the tiny little bit. Feli didn't include this in her food, but you know, I will never cook without using it. Only if I'm cooking arrow or lole. And the goat curry. I like the goat curry because for some reason it's spicy. Okay, put a little. And for sure, our Maggie. And that's it in there. So I got this from the dollar store. Well, you can get this anywhere, and it's a very good substitute when you don't have a baking tray. So yeah, you can use this and that's fine. And then I'm going to put it in and set the timer to 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I'll show you what it looks like.
Baby, come give me something. I'm home all alone. Stressing my brain out. So come here. There you go. 10 more minutes and we'll be done.
So basically, like, I had the camera, my phone on my stand because that's what I'm using to film with, but it's just really stressing me out. Like moving it around, yo, it's very tiring. So I'm going to show you properly what I got out of the oven. Just a second, my hair keeps acting up. It got burned, but I think it looks good, smells good. The look doesn't really look that bad to me. You can still you can still make this for your man, okay? You can still make this for your man and he'll be very happy. Okay, it's now eating time. Sorry, I just want to get a spoon and then we take our first. Okay, so this is our meal. It obviously didn't come out. Let me take one bite. Ooh, yummy. I guess it's the better one. 1, 2, 3. Mmm. Yo, this tastes so good. I've never tried pumpkin and rice and fried rice. The combination is good. The fried rice is good. Yo, I made this food. I wish there was someone else here that could do the tasting, but it's just me. I'm just home alone today and there's no one to do the tasting, so I'll be eating everything alone. I'll be eating alone, so you can make this for yourself at home. And thank you for watching this video today to the end. My camera is really giving me a lot of issues, so please subscribe so I'll start budgeting for a new one. I feel like this is something I'll be paying $200 for. You should definitely cook this at home.